OBA, the Brazilian Astronomy and Astronautics Olympiad. I have joined OBA, I subscribed, I will do the test, I will enjoy this Olympiad, this competition. The test will be in the next days in 16 May 16 on Friday. I started to study today, then I have more 4 days to study. I subscribed like in April 25. I could have studied this time, don't study, okay, I will really study hard to it, but okay, I will learn about data with pandas, with Python, okay, I will analyze the data of astronomy, of the space, I will do things about space while I learn Python, while I learn pandas, while I learn other things. Because doing this, I can study while I do other things. I missed this opportunity to study in this time, do databases about astronomy, immerse myself into astronomy, not full immersion, but an immersion to have knowledge about this field. But I like astronomy. This is a content that I consume passive. I watched videos about Mars in Kurchat in a nutshell, about colonize Mars, about colonize Venus, without the compromise to do it, only that because I like it. I watch videos on the internet, on YouTube about astronomy, but I could did more. A lesson that I will have to the next times that I would do something. Okay, I will have a test about astronomy, then I will do my things, but immerse myself in astronomy because I think it is important. A lesson to the next times. Then I will talk about what is OBA, some resume about what is OBA, and show what I will do to I think I can separate it in 2 videos. The video that what is OBA and what I will do to study about OBA. Okay, I will do it. This video is about what is OBA. I asked for ChatGPT to make a resume for me. What is the OBA? The OBA Brazilian Astronomy and Astronautics Olympiad is a national science competition held every year in Brazil. It challenges students from elementary to high school, grades 1 to 12, to test their knowledge in astronomy, astronautics, and the related sciences. The OBA is, like it says, the national competition to see the knowledge of the students in elementary school to high school in astronautics, astronomy, and the related fields. In the level 4 of the competition, the test, have 4 levels, the level 1, 2, 3, and 4. Level 1 is to the first to the 3rd year. Level 2 is to the 4th and to the 5th years. And the level 3 is to the 6th 6 to the 9th years. And the level 4 is to the high school that I am. I printed some tests to do. This is the level 1 test. This is the level 2 test. I will do these two to study. Because of it, I printed it, but I will let it to the next video. I will do these two, and if I would be good, I will go to the next level. Brazil also have the OBAFOG, OBA. Okay. Is OBAFOG, a national competition to launch rockets, Olympiad to launch rockets. I think Brazil have the biggest Olympiad in the world to launch rockets. The OBAFOG is the biggest world Olympiad to launch rockets. It's a national competition to see who launched the best rockets with PET bottles, and it's a simple rocket that you make. These have a relation with the Manual of the World, the Manual do Mundo, a Brazilian YouTube channel that shares science to the world, to Brazil. It's one of the biggest science channels on YouTube. Have this OBAFOG to launch rockets, a national competition to see who have the best launch. It's simple, you don't need to, okay, I will make a high technology rocket. No, it's a bottle rocket with water and sodium bicarbonate. It's simple, it's a national competition to everyone enjoy. Everyone and the elementary students. This is, I think it's more to elementary students. The level 4 that I am have more 25% of the test is mathematics and the others is astronomy and astronautics. What we have more is astronomy. I will let it more to the video talking about what I will do. Why does the OBA exist? The main goals of the OBA are to inspire interest in astronomy and space sciences among young Brazilians, promote science education in fun, engaging and accessible way, encourage students to think critically, explore space and solve problems, discover and support future science, engineers and innovators in Brazil. Brazil have very Olympiads, have the OBA, I think it's the biggest mathematics Olympiad in Brazil, have 17 millions of students that participate every year. The OBA isn't so big, I think have 500,000. I think in the past year, the number of participants of students was 900,000 of students. almost 1 million, don't so big as the OBA map, but is growing. In the past, when it started, it was 300,000, but now grew 3 times. It's only growing. It's good to promote science, promote critical thinking, inspire generations, create a culture about study, about astronomy, to show to people the importance of science, of make small things, but these small things is what brings the big things. When Elon Musk started the SpaceX, he was searching for the guy. I don't remember the name of the guy, but he's a guy that he was fascinated with the rockets. He launched the rocket since he was a kid. He understood everything about rockets. He launched his own rockets since his young ages. Your entire childhood, your entire life was about studying rockets, launching rockets, studying about this field. Because in the United States they have NASA, now have SpaceX, they went to the moon, they have a culture that about astronomy. They have an astronomy culture, a science culture to develop science, to have universities like Harvard, MIT. They have a culture to inspire the population, to inspire science, to show to people the importance of this field. This OBAFOG can see is okay, it's stupid. Launch a rocket, make with bottle and water. Do a test in schools about astronomy. This is a fool. This is stupid, but this can promote science, this can promote education, this can make a culture about study, about science, about education. Show to people create a competition to make the culture, to make it cool. It can bring the science, the education to the population, to every student. Every young student can enjoy it, see that have knowledge to know about space, have things that they need to know, but don't need, but they can know about space, then they would like to know. Create a space culture, education, inspire people, show to people that this is a field, this exists, this is one of the motivations of OBA and why it exists. This is really important. What subjects are covered? The OBA includes questions on astronomy, planets, stars, moon, eclipses, constellations, seasons, astronautics, rockets, satellites, space missions, physics and math applied to space science, gravity, Kepler's laws, speed, distance, related topics like coordinate systems, calendars, and the Doppler effect. This is the subject of what having the OBA is astronomy and the astronautics competition. Then have 10 questions in the OBA. Every test have 10 questions, as you can see here. Ten questions, 7 of astronomy and 7 about astronautics. You will use in the early tests, the level 1, level 2, you don't use deep math, deep physics. They don't have physics, the childs. But you will use only more astronomy and astronautics. When the level 3 begins, you will have deep mathematics, not so deep, but you will have more mathematics, more physics, and in level 4 you will have deep mathematics, deep physics applied to this, to astronomy and astronautics. Isn't so deep, but you will need the basic mathematics and the one of almost the intermediate. Why is it important? It gives students the chance to win medals, gold, silver, bronze, and certificates. Top students may be selected to represent Brazil in international astronomy Olympiads. Participation helps students grow their scientific thinking and may open doors for university opportunities. It promotes national cooperation between schools, science centers, planetariums, and astronomy clubs. This is good, giving medals for people isn't a full medal. You only will have the medal if you get a good grade. I think it's a median of the grades, and you will have only the gold if you will be good compared with the others. To get the gold medal, though in my level, I think the grade is 8.5. You need 8.5 to get the gold medal. Silver and bronze I don't know, but it's good. You can be good and earn a medal and earn a certificate you can post in your LinkedIn, show to people that participated in a Brazilian Olympiad. I know a little bit about astronomy and astronautics. I can use math and physics to solve real problems in astronomy and astronautics. I have a certificate, I have a gold medal. It's good. Top students may be selected to represent Brazil in International Astronomy Olympiads. I don't know a lot about it, but this is a selection of this is a Brazil selection to participate in international Olympiads. It's good because helping people grow the scientific thinking. It's good. Brazil have a poor science. We need to grow our science, grow the scientific thinking, share science. Everything that brings science to the people is good. this is really important to show the science, bring science. And they open doors for university opportunities. I think have it now that if you get good grades, if you participate in Olympiads, you will have opportunities to enjoy good universities. Don't have a strong culture, a strong... this isn't so strong, okay, I did good in Olympiads, I get medals, I get gold medals, I get certificates, I won several Olympiads, I will enjoy in USP, in Unicamp. No, don't have it. This is growing. I think that the USP now is thinking in let the gold medals, the Olympiads gold medals enjoy easier in the university, but it's growing. I think I have a few universities that if you won medals, if you have strong ones in Olympiads, you will enjoy more easier, you will have easier access to universities. Then this isn't so strong, but is growing and have it. If you have a good career, if you had a good career in a good path in Olympiads, you will have more opportunities to enjoy universities. Promotes national cooperation between school science centers, planetariums, and astronomy clubs. This is true, is good to this bring more science, bring the light to the science, to the astronomy. I think you have it, it's good. And how does it work? The test is multiple choice, done in person at the school. It happens once a year, usually in May. Students have 2 to 3 hours to answer 10 questions depending on their level, and everyone receives a certificate, and the top scorers earn medals and recognition. The test is multiple choice. It's true, every test level 1 to the level 4 is multiple choice. In the past wasn't multiple choice, but now it is. And done in person at the school. Yes, you need to go to the school and do in person. Happens once a year, usually in May. Once a year, usually in May. Don't have anything to talk, is it? Students have 2 to 3 hours to answer 10 questions depending on their level. The level 1 and the level 2 is 2 hours. The level 3 is 3 hours. The level 4 is... I think it's 4 hours or 3, I don't remember. Okay, I think it is it. 2 to 3 hours, the level 1 and the 2 hours, the level 3 and the 4, 3 hours. Everyone receives a certificate and the top scores earn medals and recognition. Yes. Top scores earn medals and recognition, don't have a specific score that you need to get to earn a medal. This depends year by year. And the certificate, I think it's true. If it's saying it I think it's true. Then this is OBA. I'm enjoying it because I think this will be my last year at school. Then I needed to do everything that I would like that school gives to you, because I won't enjoy in school anymore. I won't participate in anything about school anymore, because school is only your first years is the elementary school, high school, and after don't have more school. Then I think do these school things is good. I will never do these things again, never have the chance to do these things again. Then it's good to enjoy. I like science, I like astronomy, I like the NASA, SpaceX, I like this kind of thing. I listen to the Elon Musk biography because I like the SpaceX, the technology. Then do it, I think it's good. Also, if I my plan is to get the gold medal. If I get the gold medal, it's good to post on my LinkedIn, to have in my CV, my portfolio, my history, that I get a good score in the Astronomy Olympiad, and the gold medal is good to have in my history, my career history, my students' history. I also promote science, is a science test. I like science. I think it's good to do it. This was my thought for subscribing for this test, this Olympiad. I never did it before. I never participated in any Olympiad, never science school thing. I never was a person who liked the tests, school things, but now I'm trying to do this school thing in my last year at high school. The OBA, the Brazilian Astronomy and Astronautics Olympiad, is very important to the Brazil to promote science, astronomy, education. It's very important we have it, the OBAFOG. We must grow it, we must have more, we must grow science culture, education culture in our culture. I hope you liked it. Thank you for your attention. Bye.